Welcome back to one more useful and interesting video. In this video, I am going to talk about Indian Talent Olympiad. Last week, I had already uploaded a video related to this topic. You can watch that video by clicking on I button or by the link which is given in the description area. In this video, I will talk about benefits and scholarships offered by the Indian Talent Olympiad. There are several benefits of Olympiad exams. Some of them include it makes students perfect in topics taught in class. It offers a platform for students from different parts to come together. It helps to improve self-learning skills. It improves reasoning, analytical thinking, and problem-solving abilities. It makes students ready for other academic challenges in life. It boosts individual morale and self-confidence. It urges students to perform better each time at all tests. It brings a good name to the school teacher and of course to parents at large. Now talking about scholarship, cash prizes, awards and more. The team at Indian Talent Olympiad believes that motivated minds can do wonders. Small words of appreciation go a long way in bringing the best foot forward. Therefore, it recognizes talent from a young age and ensures to felicitate students by rewarding them. The organization rewards its winners of online test series in the following way. Online Olympiad Test Series Award Category. Students test at home yearly prizes. National First Rank Achiever. 10 students per class from 1st to 10th are awarded 1 lakh cash prize each. National Second Rank Achiever. 10 students per class from 1st to 10th are awarded laptops. Monthly prizes. Monthly 1 lakh cash prize is given to 40 toppers for class 1st to 10th. Class-wise toppers in weekly test get tablets for class 1st to 10th. Second, third, fourth rank holders get scholarship of rupees 500, 300 and 200 respectively. Monthly certificate and report cards are awarded to all participants. Certificate and report cards are sent to students' home. Schools that register their students also stand a high chance of winning exciting prizes from Indian Talent Olympiad in the following manner. School Annual Olympiad Awards. National level prizes. The first prize of rupees 1 lakh is awarded to 8 students. The second prize of rupees 40,000 is awarded to 10 students. 10 students ranked subsequent to second prize winners at the national level are awarded laptops. 100 students ranked subsequent to third prize winners at the national level are awarded tablets. State level. Students who achieve state rank 1st to rank 10 are awarded merit certificate, gold medals and scholarship. Students who achieve rank 11 to rank 25 are awarded excellence award and medals. Class toppers. 3 students who top their respective class from class 1st to class 10th are awarded gold, silver and bronze medals. District Topper Award Medal is given to top performers on district level. Students are also awarded Special Recognition Certificate with rank details and student report booklet. The scholarship program is aimed to provide educational benefits to extraordinary students. Any rank or any prize secured in Olympiads brings laurels to participants. It helps them to build on their careers. Indian Talent Olympiad is one of the few organizations that instill a competitive spirit in all participants. It recognizes students and awards them for their effort at every step. Annual Olympiad result of 2020 and 2021 has been declared. You can check out your result by the link which is given in the description. You might be thinking that how does the Indian Talent Olympiad's ranking system work? The answer is there are 30 questions and exam time is 25 minutes. Students have to answer correctly as many correct questions as they could in the minimum time period. There will be negative marking of 0.25 for every wrong answer given. The students who are scoring top with minimum time consumed will be the respective rank holders. And you might also be thinking that how can I win the 1 lakh cash prize through Indian Talent Olympiad? The answer is for winning rupees 1 lakh cash prize, there are certain criteria which a student must fulfill to be eligible for the scholarship. The student must be annual subscriber of the weekly online test. The students must try to attend all the weekly tests conducted throughout the year At the end of the yearly subscription after the last test, students' every test result will be carefully observed and the most extraordinarily performed students will be grabbing the grand scholarship of rupees 1 lakh. Share this video with your friends so that they can also get benefit by that video. Thank you for watching that video.